and welcome back to my channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Feel free to press the subscribe button that's down below so you guys are subscribed to my channel. And while you're down there, you might as well press the bell notification so you guys are notified every time that I post a new video. As you guys can see by the title, today's video we're going to be doing I'm not sure what I'm gonna like name it, but I think I'm gonna name it like trying an Instagram beauty hack or something. But basically, a few weeks ago, I did see this Instagram beauty hack where basically this lady, I'm gonna insert the video somewhere in here so you guys can see what exactly I'm talking about if I do find the video. But if I don't, I'm just gonna explain to y'all. But basically it was basically this beauty hack where she takes her beauty blenders and she basically puts them in the washer. So I guess to clean them, obviously to clean them, but she takes the beauty blender, puts them in a sock, and then basically wash them like regular clothes or whatever. And when it's done, your beauty blender is supposed to be clean. So I've been meaning to wash my beauty blenders anyways. As you guys know, like if you wear makeup and stuff, you know beauty blenders are so hard for you to it's so hard for you to wash, like, cause me, I kind of leave them for a while. I'm not even gonna sit here in front with y'all. Like, I don't even remember the last time I cleaned my brushes since I got them. And my beauty blenders, they're new, but I haven't washed them for like a while, so like they're very dusty. I'm gonna show you guys how it look like in the next clip that I'm gonna insert. But they're mad dirty. I haven't cleaned them shits. They're dirty, and that's not a good thing because I have been realizing that I have been breaking out recently. That's why I'm not really wearing any makeup right now, because my face been breaking the fuck out. So and so I was about to, you know, clean my beauty blender and stuff. So, and then I remembered of this hack. So I'm like, why not come on here and I guess do the experiment with you guys. But yeah, so the next clip is gonna show me actually doing the experiment. If you have done this experiment before, let me know in the comments down below. Did it help you? Was it easier and stuff like that? But if you want to see how I clean my beauty blender or try out this hack, continue watching this video. All right, y'all, so I'm looking kind of crusty, so I'm not gonna like be all up in the camera, but these are the three, can you guys see? These are the three beauty blenders I am gonna be washing. You guys, they look so crusty, so these are pretty dirty, as you guys can see. And these are just some almost dropped that shit. And these are just three these are just regular socks that I use to walk around the house. So I'm gonna take these, like you guys can see in the video if I did show it to you guys. I'm just gonna be taking the opening up the socks and just stuffing them in there. Damn, this shit harder than. Okay. All right, so I forgot if she used a rubber band. Yeah, I forgot if she used a rubber band for it. But for safety precautions, well, not for safety precautions, but just in case they like fall out, I am gonna get a rubber band to tie around it so they don't, like, you know, come out of the sock. So 1 second. All right, so I'm back. Actually, let me start. No, actually, hold on. Let me tie this up first. I'm not gonna do it too tight because I still want the sock to get clean itself. So, but yeah, this is how it looks like. And you basically just dump it in here. I didn't start anything yet, so Yeah, I know how to work this. Hold. Hold on. Oops. But yeah, so I'm just gonna wait until I guess the load is over, and when it's done, I'll come back on the camera. I kind of already looked at it, but I had to put it back inside the sock to show you guys. But I haven't done anything to it. It literally came out of it. All my clothes are still in here or whatever. And when I tell you guys I was mad shook, oh, there's still a little shit in the top though. Oh fuck, how you take this shit off? But remember how they was before? Tell me how. Can you guys see? Hold on. Focus. Like this shit was brown before. So like I don't know, it is crazy to me because normally when you wash it the other way, it takes mad long and it's never like all the way clean. But yeah, there's still like a little bit of whatchamacallit right here, but overall this is gonna be the new way I clean my beauty blenders. Cause okay, yeah. So basically, yeah, I was mad shook after I took it out of the washer. So these is how they look right now. Like I was shook because like when I tell you guys these beauty blenders been mad dirty, and for them to get this clean is impossible for me. So the fact that they look this clean, it's like I'm shook. One of them on the tip didn't really get clean, but that's nothing, so I really don't mind for that. But honestly, like this is the new way that I'm gonna be cleaning my beauty blenders. But one thing I was thinking about is, as you guys can know, like when you do wash clothes, you use like either laundry detergent, or I use this like other type of thing that my mom buys that I put inside the thing. I'm not sure if that's good for your face. So what I would say is after you do this hack and you clean it in the washer, what you can do is go to like a sink while it's still wet, because don't put this in a dryer. I don't know if anyone would do this, but don't put this in the dryer. After you finish washing it, that's it. It'll just stay like this, and you can let the beauty blenders air dry. But right when it's finished out of the dryer, you take it out of the sock or whatever. I would highly suggest you go in the sink and you still wash it with like a regular hand soap, or like whatever soap you use to wash this out, just to prevent, like if anything, like you start using it while it came out of the washer and it breaks your face out, because that is a possibility of like happen. That's a possibility because that's the like germs and stuff like that, and you don't know whatever the hell the detergent have to go on your face. So I would highly suggest you rinse, either probably like just rinse it out so it's not anything to your face. But yeah, like I was so shook when I seen this when this happened. But this is gonna be the new way that I do wash my beauty blenders. I wish that someone would come up with a hack to wash your brushes. If anybody does have a hack to wash your makeup brushes, please put in the description, yeah, I cannot fucking talk. Put it in the comment it down below if there's like a hack, because I am gonna be washing my brushes soon as well, because they're pretty dirty. If you guys want a video on that as well, of me washing my brushes, let me know in the comments down below. I wouldn't mind recording it. But yeah, like let me know if you guys tried this hack before in the comments. Did it work for you? Did it break you out? Did it not work? But if you guys found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.